Well, welcome back, everybody. The market's open for another 22 minutes on the cash side, but this was such an awesome day. I want to go ahead and get this video out for you and then get back to some exciting, awesome new releases that are coming out for WealthCharts. I can't wait to show you shortly. So, with the excitement of the day, let's just go ahead and kick off. Fortunately, timing couldn't have been better. I did some great training for you guys yesterday morning, and also everything we've been talking about, not just in that training yesterday, but leading up to it, just came absolutely true this week, right? So you recall back weeks ago, about 3 weeks ago, I'd given you, I guess over 3 weeks now, I gave you this important information of these key support resistance levels. So we watched that through for the next several weeks, and we kept seeing we'd try to break through, fail, break through, fail. Finally, we broke through and continued on, right? And we talked to you over and over. Go back and watch the videos. I talked to you about how the market was coiling up this spring and the fact that this was just going week after week after week, getting tighter. And of course, the markets love to do what? They love to climb the wall of worry, the wow. And what happened was, there's so many people that have been shorting. It's got to go down. It's got to go down. The economy is terrible. War, everything that's going on right now, tariffs, everything that's out there, people are like, the wall of worry. And so they're shorting, which led even more fuel to this process here, to snap this out. Bottom line is, walking in the door here this morning, as I have the last couple of days. You recall, I showed you guys some of my Monday trading, my Tuesday trading, right? And we did a whole class on it yesterday morning. And of course, I was looking for long side trades, right? Why was I looking for long side trades? Because the daily was up. The hourly was up, everything looked phenomenal. Well, so going into today, let's just kind of take a look here. The daily was up, the hourly was up, but the 5-minute was down and the 1-2 minutes were down, okay? Well, so what did I want to see? I wanted to see the 1 minute and the 5 minutes cross back up above here on the TRP crossover and get back to the buy side. Well, we did that this morning, and boy, was it precious. It was just beautiful. The very first thing that happened when that happened here, the market pushed through a target 2, did a pullback. Well, what do we look for then? A runaway. Well, pulled back, fired off another buy signal here, came right up to target 2, and then died, right? And then it went ahead and went right back up there again and did the whole same thing again, got up to target 2, and, well, you get the point, right? Really beautiful moves this morning, and obviously I fired off multiple trades. No surprise, only long side trades. And I want to emphasize that because, I was on the phone with one of my colleagues, Ted, and it's like, well, what are we going to do with this? Like, well, I'm not going to, and short to the 1 minute, the 5 minute are down. I'm going to wait to see if the 1 minute, the 5 minute can get back in conjunction with the hourly and daily charts, and that's exactly what they did. And then off to the races this big, beautiful move was. So we'll talk more about those trades and those entries, exits, and that strategy. I'm going to one more time. That class was awesome yesterday, and I've been talking to awesome students and everything else, since yesterday. And, I'm going to do this special class one more time. This is the TRP class, so not the class I did a couple weeks ago. It's a class I did do yesterday now we're going to add some more exciting trading to the mix, and this is going to be a lot of fun, and so I'm looking forward to seeing you Saturday morning there at 10 o'clock Eastern, 9 o'clock Central, 7 a.m. Pacific. You're not going to want to miss that. It's going to be the final class in the series that I'm going to do. I did the one yesterday. I'm going to do the one on Saturday here for you, and then that's it. And then, but this class is for all traders, so the class that I went ahead and I did a few weeks ago, that was only for the top 25% most serious, most hardcore students. Here, as you guys saw yesterday, because of the straightforward nature of an entry, a stop loss, target 1, midpoint, target 2, right? And all those different factors, it's such an important key that every trader needs to go ahead and have, even if you're a part-time, less experienced, part-time, don't know if you're going to do this for the full-time, for the long term and everything else. This is an important class for everybody, as you guys saw yesterday. So I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to take my Saturday to go ahead and do it with you Saturday morning. So you join me as well. Let's go and make it a great Saturday, because as you saw, this market market's been incredible for these tools and these strategies this week, and we're just getting started. We saw what happened here with the big breakout. So there's a lot of great action coming here. So I'm looking forward to this final class in the series here. So I'll see you Saturday morning. You can go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. Becomeabettertrader.com/go. I'll see you Saturday morning there at 10 a.m. Eastern, 9 Central, 7 a.m. Pacific. Let's have a great morning and bring all your questions. I went and I stayed with you guys there for quite a while and answering your additional questions there on yesterday morning as well, and the strategy questions and all the questions you had. I'm going to do that again for you on Saturday. So I'll see you there. Let's have fun and let's get ready for and be pre-positioned for a big week ahead next week. It's going to be another big one. Have a great night, everybody. I'll see you shortly. Bye-bye.